Okay, we're going to have a little fun with this house. This house is in the Pinehurst number 6 golf course development, and it has an indoor pool. You can see by this sketch, the pool is on the left-hand side of the house, but it's actually got only one entrance, which is at the rear of the house. There's no way to reach it from the interior of the house. Now, as you can see from the pool, if the pool was not there, this could be regular finished space. Once upon a time, there was a door there. But right now, as you see from the rear of the house, you have to walk outside and enter these exterior doors. Should that be finished square footage? It depends which real estate agent you ask. In MLS for this house, one listing has 3241 square feet, one has 3046, one has 2741, and the appraiser following ANSI came up with 1935. And I'm going to show you how all that works out. But I mean, it's an indoor pool. I mean, it is, closed in space. It's finished, it's got heat and air. And the problem is, though, you can't get to that space anywhere except from the back of the house. Now, I don't know if you can see in that picture, but once upon a time, there was an exterior door that led to the pool. But that door came from a bedroom. So there's probably a little functional obsolescence there with a door from a bedroom. But in this case, two realtors included this area inside of the gross living area. And that's a problem, guys. This is not gross living area. If you've got to go outside to reach this space, it doesn't matter how the inside is finished. It is not gross living area. Gross living area has to be a continuation of finished space. And here you can see where the door was once upon a time, and it was a huge door. But I don't know, that's kind of a big door to have. And actually, I guess it was a sliding door coming out of a bedroom. But anyway, that was a little unique on the design. And this is still, it's a golf course community. Somebody will like having this pool. But the difference is, how does this house get priced? There's two different sections in this particular house that we're going to talk about that are included in the GLA according to two real estate agents, but really are not finished living area. But for now, we want to concentrate on this pool, and there is no way that this pool fits into gross living area. Now, let's look at the numbers just quickly here. There was 3241, 3046, and the current listing shows 2741. So what's the correct price per square foot? Roll the dice. With those GLA numbers, there's no way to tell. Alright, in this same house, you're going to see it has a finished bonus room. Just looking at this room, you would think that it would be part of the finished living area, but it is not. You can see the inside of the garage here, and when you come around the garage, that first room you see, we're going to talk about that in just a minute. But you come to this door, that is the finished bonus room. Now you can see it goes around, and you've got the laundry there, and it comes to the kitchen, and then you can see, it comes on around, and you've got a door that actually goes to the exterior. You can see the kitchen there, and then this is an exterior door by the sink there. But if you go back to enter this finished bonus room, you have to enter the unfinished garage space. Now you open the door, and you've got a regular stairway. It's finished space from that point up, but it's not a continuation of the finished living area. When you get to this point, though, when you're going up the steps and into the space, it looks just like any other finished living area. But as you can see, you have to enter the garage. And I guess that's where the problem comes in. You know, the agents, two agents in this case, counted this space as being included in the gross living area, the finished square footage count. And I mean, it's finished like the rest of the main living area. It's got its own heat pump in this case. You got a little desk area. You come around, that door actually goes into a full bathroom in this case. So instead of a 3-bedroom house, they're calling this a 4-bedroom house. Well, technically it's not a 4-bedroom house because this space is not part of the main finished living area. And you can see, you know, it's just, you've got the shower, and the door at the back in this case opens up to attic space. So it's basically a rectangle any way you look at it. And you know, the steps are raised and included in the space. So what you really end up with is 305 square feet of detached finished living area. When those two agents are including this in the main finished living area in their square footage count, it throws off the MLS numbers. It changes the price per square foot. And you know, for a lot of agents, that's what it comes down to when you're pricing a house, is the price per square foot. And when they include this space, it changes everything. And as you can see, I mean, it really is. It's just a rectangular space. And actually, I think I measured it a little bit differently. I had 23.8 by 11.7, and of course when you add the 1 foot for the exterior width there, I came up with 315 square feet. Now they've got 305 listed on this sheet, but they're counting the main floor as 2436 and the bonus room is 305. And actually in that first floor, that includes the pool in the finished square footage. So the house is only 1,935 square feet. Guys, that is a huge difference in square footage. And if you'll look at beside the garage, there's one other area. There are 3 totally different spaces in this one house. Now when you come to this area off the garage, we've got another finished detached living area. This garage storage area is finished, you know, like the rest of the house, except for there's no flooring. In this case, you just got, you know, a painted concrete floor. But it's on the same heat pump as the bonus room. You know, the walls are finished. It's got the windows, you know, it's got all the power. It is a finished room, but it is a detached finished room. Now there's actually a walk-in closet. I don't know if that floor plan comes back up, but there's actually a walk-in closet on the right hand wall. So there could be a doorway that attached to that closet, which could actually make this finished living area. But the 2 agents that included this in the finished square footage are incorrect. It changes people's values. It changes the price per square foot, and that should not be in the finished living area.